Here's my heirloom rose. It's a day earlier than I expected, and because it just rained, they put it in a plastic bag. So I'm going to unbox this. And so that was pretty easy. I didn't need a knife or anything to open this. And here you can see the instructions. And then look at this. And they defoliated it. And it's a Mutabilis, 1 gallon, and antique rose on its own roots, and I can't wait to get it in the ground. Well, this is the spot where it will go, and it's next to where I'm going to put the 3 Mrs. BR Cants when they arrive. I wanted 3 Mutabilis, but not from Heirloom Roses. And this was the only place I could find it, so I got at least 1, at least during the summertime. So I filled that with good soil, and I'm just gonna put it in it and cover it up.